To fix Instagram doesn't have access to photos. In order to fix that, click on your profile icon on the bottom, then click on these three lines that you have right here. From this case, just try to search in here for permissions. You can see here this device permissions. Head over and click on that. From in there, you can see these photos and videos. And as you can see, it's not allowed, which means that this doesn't have access. Head over and click on this not allowed option. Click on this update device settings. And then you will be redirected to the settings of your phone. You can see in here your permissions. And then in here, just scroll down until you can see these photos and videos. Head over and click on that. And then click on allow right here in order to allow permission for that. And then once you head over right here to your Instagram, you should be able to see that your photos and videos are now allowed, and you should be able to post your reels, your photos, or videos on your actual Instagram. So that's how you fix Instagram doesn't have access to photos.